Hello guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you a very interesting thing in Excel. How can you create the graphical representation in Excel like this? Any positive, thumbs up, negative, thumbs down. Okay, so let's see. I make the new one for you. Now, this is our sheet. So here we are going to make the same graphical representation. So what you have to do, first select all these and then press Ctrl 1. Once you will press Ctrl 1, you will go to custom, remove this general from here and write it bracket, then you write blue, then bracket close and write 0. This is for the positive value. Now window key and press dot. So from here you can select any of the emoji. Suppose I select this one, then again I come, then semicolon, then again bracket. Here I give red color and this is for the negative minus 0. Now again window key and choose thumbs down and then press OK. So you can see now the value which is positive is thumbs up and the value which is negative is thumbs down. So I hope everything will be clear. You can select any emoji. I selected this one. You selected laughing or sad. Okay guys. So till the next video, take care. Bye.